The state of Indiana just recorded its largest increase in confirmed coronavirus cases since the beginning of this pandemic. The Indiana Department of Health reports 44 more Hoosiers have died from the virus. That brings the total number of Indiana deaths to 785. But for the second straight day, the state reported the highest number of new cases, 715. That brings the total to more than 14,000 positive cases. Indiana's first confirmed case was reported back on March 6th. The White House Coronavirus Task Force is not holding a briefing today, but worldwide, this pandemic has now reached a grim milestone. 200,000 deaths are blamed on COVID-19. The death toll is still far short of the so-called Spanish flu, which began in 1918. That's estimated to have killed more than 20 million people before it finally faded out in 1920. Well, inmates incarcerated in prisons are at real high risk of getting COVID-19 because of close confinement. And that's why dozens of protesters gathered today near the Indiana Women's Prison, honking horns and holding signs. They're asking Governor Holcomb to release everyone with less than a year left on their sentence, and they're also demanding free medical care and access to masks.
Be on the lookout because they're very creative and they're going to try to get to us any way they can.
There have been 3 deaths reported in Indiana prisons, and 278 inmates have tested positive, according to the Indiana Department of Correction. Well, first responders thanked healthcare workers today in Johnson County. Our Sarah Jones spoke with the hospital staff about what this show of support means to them.
Heroes thanking heroes. But we all know from comic books, a hero can never reveal their true identity.
We don't look at ourselves as heroes at all. I mean, this is what we do.
I don't think of myself as a hero.
Johnson County came out to thank their healthcare workers.
We've got multiple public safety agencies. We even have some of our community citizens.
I think it makes us all feel pretty great.
And those heroes in scrubs want to say thank you to their heroes.
The people that are staying at home are the heroes.
Yes.
That's Sarah Jones reporting. A Fisher's Church will be among the first in Indianapolis to reopen after the governor's stay-at-home order went into place. Services at I-Town Church resume tomorrow morning in Fishers. Attendance is limited to 10 people, and worshipers had to reserve their seats online. There are 30 services scheduled between Sunday morning and Tuesday night there. Social distancing, we're told, will be enforced, and they will disinfect the sanctuary in between services.